Welcome to our TeamBoard ProScheduler demo. We will show you how TeamBoard can assist managers and product owners with project management, resource management, and team management in Jira. Along with these, you get support features like task planning. It helps in organizing tasks effectively. Our intuitive interface allows for easy creation, assignment, and tracking of tasks. You'll see how tasks can be linked to specific project goals, ensuring alignment and clarity across your team. Workload Management. Clear overview of each team member's workload. TeamBoard provides insights into each team member's current tasks and availability, enabling you to balance workloads and prevent burnout. This feature helps in optimizing productivity while maintaining team morale. Timeline and advanced Gantt chart. Visualize project timelines and dependencies in a comprehensive manner. Our advanced Gantt chart offers a dynamic view of project timelines, dependencies, and progress. It's an essential tool for planning, tracking, and adjusting your project timelines to ensure timely delivery. Timelog, essential for time management and resource allocation. It's designed to provide accurate insights into how much time is dedicated to different projects, aiding in resource allocation and billing processes. Dashboard and report, high-level view of project performance. Get a bird's-eye view of your project's health with our comprehensive dashboard and reporting tools. Customizable reports allow you to monitor key performance indicators, track progress, and make data-driven decisions. Now, let's jump right in. When you open TeamBoard ProScheduler, you're greeted with three distinct sections. First up is the Program section. This is where you can create a program encompassing multiple projects. It's a powerful feature for those who need to manage several projects simultaneously on a single board. Next is Project. This section is dedicated to managing individual projects. It displays each project from your Jira system, allowing for focused project management. Lastly, we have the Team section. This is where team management comes into play. Create a team name and move to the team board to manage your team's tasks and projects all in one place. Now, let's dive into the specific features of TeamBoard ProScheduler. Task planning. But first, a crucial step is resource allocation on the board. Before scheduling any tasks, it's essential to add resources. You have the flexibility to add Jira users or TeamBoard teams. If you're managing the project as a team, consider creating a new team here. This is the Resource Planning Board, a central hub for organizing your project's most valuable assets, your team. Here, you can easily view and manage the member list or group list. It's all about keeping your team structured and ready for the tasks ahead. Planning an existing task is straightforward. Use the issue box to plan directly on the board or manage it through the Jira issue panel. Need to add new tasks? The board's calendar view simplifies this process. You can also seamlessly plan new events, ensuring no opportunity is missed. TeamBoard support to Agility for multiple members on one task. Customize your task cards. Resize, drag, drop, and change colors to make your board as intuitive and user-friendly as possible. It's about making your task management visually organized and efficient. Utilize the jump search for instant access to tasks or resources. Next, let's explore the Workload Management feature in TeamBoard ProScheduler. Accessing your team's workload is as simple as a single click. This immediate view enables managers to gauge team capacity instantly. Workload is intelligently calculated based on two key factors: the team's capacity and their scheduled time. This ensures a realistic and manageable distribution of tasks. Each cell on the workload board represents the total scheduled hours for a team member, color-coded for easy understanding. White indicates zero workload, ideal for allocating new tasks. Blue signifies a workload that is not full, suggesting availability for more tasks. Green represents a full workload, indicating optimal task allocation. Red signals an overload, a crucial alert for managers to redistribute tasks and relieve pressure. Now, let's take a closer look at the timeline for task hierarchy and the advanced features of the Gantt chart in TeamBoard ProScheduler. ProScheduler uniquely offers both timeline and Gantt chart features. Let's explore how they differ and how you can use them effectively. While the timeline and Gantt chart share a similar view of the task list and calendar, they differ in key areas, offering distinct advantages depending on your project needs. The timeline reflects the issue hierarchy in Jira, following the structure of epic, issue, subtask. This hierarchy is ideal for tracking the flow of tasks within the Jira ecosystem. In contrast, the Gantt chart maintains a custom hierarchy based on the work breakdown structure, WBS number. This allows for a more tailored task structuring, independent of the Jira hierarchy. Work on the timeline. In the timeline, you have control over the issue hierarchy. You can choose to enable or disable it. Disabling it will present all issues in a flat structure, offering a simplified view. Use the Expand All and Collapse All features to manage the visibility of dependencies. Connecting tasks to create dependencies is another key feature. This function helps in visualizing the sequence of tasks and their interdependencies, crucial for successful project execution. Updating issues is straightforward with inline editing in the issue table. For a more detailed view, click on the Expand icon. This expands the full issues table, giving you an Excel-like view for more in-depth management of your tasks. This feature ensures quick and easy modifications without navigating away from the timeline. Finally, the timeline supports milestones. Mark tasks as milestones to highlight key project events or deadlines, ensuring these critical points are visibly distinct and tracked. Work on Gantt. In the Gantt chart, adjusting the location and hierarchy of tasks is straightforward. Simply drag and drop tasks to their new position or to alter their hierarchy within the project structure. Need to modify a task's duration or schedule? Resize or drag the taskbar to reflect these changes. This flexibility allows for real-time adjustments to your project plan. Linking bars to create dependencies is a key feature of the Gantt chart. It visually represents the relationship between tasks, helping you manage the flow and sequence of project activities effectively. Creating new issues is quick and efficient. With just a few clicks, you can add a new issue, complete with its hierarchy, directly within the Gantt chart. Tracking and updating task progress is seamless. Slide along the taskbar to edit the progress, providing an immediate visual update on where each task stands. To create a baseline, click on the Baseline button and select New Baseline. Enter a name and create it. To enable an existing baseline, simply find it in the list and select it. This feature allows you to compare current progress against planned milestones. Identifying the critical path of your project is just a click away. Hit the Critical Path button to display it. This crucial feature highlights the tasks that directly impact the project timeline, helping you prioritize effectively. Log time in ProScheduler board. Logging time for scheduled tasks is straightforward. If you have tasks scheduled for a specific period, simply enter the time into the task cell and click Log to record your time. For tasks not scheduled, ProScheduler still makes time logging easy. Click on the white space in any cell and a dialog box will appear. Here, you can log working hours or time off. You can choose a task from the drop-down box or use the plus button to create a new task on the spot. ProScheduler also allows time logging directly from issue details. Open the ProScheduler Timelog panel and click Add Timelog to record time spent on a particular issue. Flexibility is key in ProScheduler. You have the option to enable or disable all features as needed. Finally, our reporting and dashboard features provide dynamic, customizable reports, giving you an intuitive view of individual and group performance. You can tailor reports to meet the specific needs of your project, ensuring that all relevant data is captured and easily accessible. Then Program Board and TeamBoard provide similar features with Project Board. Remember, customization is key in ProScheduler. Before diving into the TeamBoard, make sure to use the settings to set permissions, define capacity hours, mark holidays, manage Gantt chart features, and more. These settings help tailor the tool to your project's specific needs. TeamBoard ProScheduler is more than a tool. It's your partner in efficient project management. Thank you for watching this demo. Discover how TeamBoard can empower your team's productivity today.